The solopreneur. A solopreneur runs a business alone, handling everything from product creation to marketing and customer service. This type often comes from freelancers or individuals who value independence and control over their time. What makes them different is their simplicity. There are no teams or complex structures, just one person executing an idea. It matters because many modern online businesses start this way, proving that a single individual can generate income without large resources. The small business owner. A small business owner builds a local or community-focused operation, such as a shop, service, or family-run company. This model has existed for generations and forms the backbone of most economies. Unlike solopreneurs, they usually hire employees and rely on steady, long-term customers. Their importance lies in stability, job creation, and their direct connection to everyday life. The startup founder. A startup founder creates a business designed to grow quickly, often built around innovation or technology. This type became more common with the rise of Silicon Valley and venture capital funding. What sets them apart is their focus on scaling fast rather than staying small and stable. Their role matters because startups often introduce new ideas that can change entire industries. The corporate entrepreneur. A corporate entrepreneur operates within an existing company but builds new products, divisions, or innovations inside it. This role emerged as large organizations realized they needed internal innovation to stay competitive. Unlike founders, they do not own the company but still think and act like builders. Their work matters because it allows big companies to evolve instead of becoming outdated. The franchise owner. A franchise owner runs a business using an established brand, system, and model. This approach grew as successful companies expanded by allowing others to replicate their operations. What makes this type unique is the balance between independence and structure. The owner follows a proven system, but still manages their own location. It matters because it lowers the risk of starting a business while still offering ownership. The investor owner. An investor owner focuses on funding businesses rather than running daily operations. This type often comes from individuals who have built or accumulated capital and now allocate it into ventures. They differ by being more strategic than operational, making decisions based on potential returns. Their role matters because many businesses cannot grow without external funding. The lifestyle entrepreneur. A lifestyle entrepreneur builds a business designed to support a specific way of living rather than maximize profit. This idea became more visible with remote work and digital tools. What makes them different is their priority. Freedom, flexibility, and personal time come before scaling. Their importance lies in redefining success beyond money alone. The serial entrepreneur. A serial entrepreneur repeatedly starts, grows, and often sells multiple businesses over time. This type has existed throughout history but became more recognized in modern business culture. Unlike others, they are driven by the process of building rather than maintaining one company. Their role matters because they continuously bring new ideas into the market.